Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Brandywine back at it again. So your girl will be doing a review on this wig today, showing you guys how I install my headband wigs. All of the information of where I got this wig from will be down below. So if you would like to see how your girl got this easy slay within less than 5 minutes, stay tuned, keep watching. Oopsies. Getting right to it, this is my wig. So this is my headband wig that I'll be putting on. I love the highlights. It's actually my first time trying highlights. So what I'm doing, I'm putting on my stocking cap, and I like to put on a stocking cap just because it keeps everything flat. And even like once I comb in, like brush back my baby hairs, once I start to form them, the end pieces of my baby hairs, I could just comb them back in right under the stocking cap, so it just kind of keeps everything together. So that's my reason for using the stocking cap, but you don't necessarily have to use a stocking cap. You could just do your baby hairs, mold your baby hairs, and just put the headband wing onto your head. So it's not a must, but it is an option. Alright, so here I am putting on the wig. I'm putting in the comb. I'm sticking it into my hair. So there's one on the top where you saw me just put it in, and there's one on either side, and there's also a comb in the back, so you could tuck the comb back under, whether you have braids or a ponytail or however you make your hair flat in the back. You could stick the comb right under there into the back of your head to make the wig more secure. Also, I noticed with the black tabs there is Velcro on it, which you could just put, stick it right behind your head. But I noticed that it's not really tight, so to finesse a wig you can always just tie it into a knot and then tuck the end pieces up under the wig. That's always an option. What I love about this headband wig is like literally a instant hairstyle. Like you don't have to do much. It's definitely giving. Right now you'll see me put it up into half up, half down. I feel like the half up, half down was definitely giving, and just the overall look that I wanted for that day, it was definitely giving it everything that I wanted it to give. So I am very happy. The quality of the hair is absolutely beautiful. You can definitely, if you want more defined curls, or you don't want it to be as poofy as mine, you could always wet it, put a little bit of conditioner in it, and also mousse. And girl, if you want that wet look, that's how you do it. But I definitely feel like this wig was straight out the box. Like I didn't do anything to it. I didn't add any water to it. I didn't add any product to it, like nothing. And literally, like those curls, just the whole look, it was just giving. It was really doing what I needed it to do. So this is the finished look. I did do my makeup off camera. I am definitely loving this. If you are interested in getting this wig, the link to all the specs and the link to purchase this wig will be down below. The company of this wig, I did get it from LuvMeHair. They do have great wigs, and I definitely recommend them. So thank you for watching. If you like what you see, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Come check out your girl. I definitely appreciate it, and definitely appreciate all the love. Thank you so much. Peace and love. Enjoy y'all's day. Love y'all. Bye.